Hey boys, I'm at work. Gonna show you how to change a shower head. You gotta do a lot of these. Unlock pliers. This is the old head. Grab it right here. Twist it off. Unscrew it. Take it off. Then may or may not have plumber's tape already on there. You don't have to, but you might want to clear off some of it. Put your new line on. Plumber's tape. Pull it out. Run it around the treads. Not very difficult. Get a little 3 or 4 lines on there. Run your hand around the treads to make sure it's in there real good. Now the only real tricky part about this operation is the new shower head gonna come with a little gasket and probably a water screen in there. Make sure that doesn't fall out. Push it down in there. You just screw the new one on. Pretty simple. Tighten it down with your pliers. The only other tip is these come with plastic pieces when you screw it on. So this piece right here, you tightening it, you don't want to squeeze it too hard or over tighten it, because you can crack that little plastic piece and then you don't have a new shower head anymore. Get it good and snug though. You start feeling a good bit of resistance, stop turning. So that's a good reason for the tape. Keep it from leaking. You don't have to tighten it down nearly as hard. And check it for leaks. And that one's good. Hope it's useful.